Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another Hop Into It with yours truly, Bill Jr. And today, talking not necessarily today to the residential building owners or the homeowners. Today, this week's episode, we're really focused on the business owners, the building owners, commercial properties, things of that nature. And what we're talking about specifically is maintenance, right? Now, on the residential side, everyone's really familiar with what we call the OCC, the Overhead Care Club, where we come out once a year and we clean out the gutters and we perform all that routine maintenance that's required to keep your warranties intact and make sure you maximize the life of your roof and your skylights and everything else up there. Well, there's a really big need on the commercial side for a very similar service. And we constantly run into building owners who are frustrated that every year they're calling because they got this leak or something new or they had something pop up. Well, what we did is we took the principle of the Overhead Care Club and came up with what we call the Commercial Preventative Maintenance Program. And we got this lovely little brochure here that talks all about it, which I'm going to include in the links for everything. But really what it does is, as a commercial owner, what we will do is we'll come out, we'll do a thorough inspection of your entire roofing system, right? We're going to analyze everything. We're going to put together a proposal for you. And what we're going to do in there is we're going to identify any of the current issues that are going on the roof. So are there current leaks? Are there issues from install? Are there things that are about to be? Are there gutter issues? We're going to highlight everything, right? And we will provide you with a price to get all of that work done by our certified expert technicians. However, what we'll also do is, depending on the condition of the roof, what we'll do is put together a preventative maintenance program. And it can be anywhere from as short as 1 year up to 5 years. And what it does for an owner is it gives you great clarity for planning, right? Because you're going to know your costs associated. And it's going to be able to be billed out up front. You can do it annually, semi-annually. We work with you on that. But the really key benefit for you as a building owner is if there's a leak, if a leak springs up, we're going to come out and we're going to take care of it for free. You heard that right, for free. So there's no additional out-of-pocket expenses, right? And what we also do with that is, depending on the contract, we're going to come out once or twice a year and we're going to walk the roof, we're going to inspect it. If there's any routine maintenance we need to do, if we see a seam that needs to be caulked or resealed, we're going to do that. We'll clean out the gutters, clean out the drains, clean out grease traps, whatever it takes and is applicable to your unique building and structure, we're going to take care of. Now, the really awesome part for a building owner is this is all considered maintenance. And depending on how your rental agreements and structures are set up, oftentimes this can be paid for out of your general maintenance fund. And most importantly, it gives you the peace of mind to A, mitigate the likelihood of actually ever having a leak after we're out there, and B, God forbid it ever did happen. It's one phone call. You go right to the front of the line, right? You get priority scheduling. So when we have major weather events like we just did, instead of having to wait 4, 5, 6, 7 days because everyone's calling every roofer they can and everyone's bombarded, you go right to the front of the line. We're out there. We analyze what the problem is. We take care of it. And you have a minimal, if any, loss of operational time for your business or for your client's business that is renting the space out from you. This we really feel is huge, right? Because it gives you total clarity, you can plan appropriately, and you really have a wonderful peace of mind to know everything's done. The other great part, every time we're out, we're going to give you a full detailed photo report of before, during, after. You know exactly what has happened. You know exactly what needs to happen. And I really like it because you're going to have an ongoing partner that you can always talk to that's going to keep you apprised. We're going to let you know how much life is truly left on the roof itself. So you can then even get into the next phase of planning of, hey, you know, I'm going to have to make that investment in a new roofing system, whether it's a recover, a tear off, doing some type of coating out there, all of which we'll be happy to help you with. And it's really, that's the mindset. We want to solve problems for building owners, right? We want you to plan appropriately. We don't want you to have surprises. We don't want you to have surprise expenses that's coming out of your profitability of your building ownership. So if this is something that you're interested in or just want to learn more about, we'd love to set you up. Our commercial representative, Mr. Alec Felt, would come out, do the inspection, meet with you one-on-one, take you through all the ins and outs of the program. So again, I encourage you, if you're interested, reach out to us, 586-566-0308. You can always visit us on the website at www.kanga-roof.com, or you can email us at hoptoit@kanga-roof.com, and always follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter and YouTube and all those other great avenues. So hope everyone's having a great week. Let's focus on the rest of it, finish strong. Hope everyone's hopping to it and has an outstanding weekend. Take care, everybody.